What's up guys, it's Adam here from AB Auto, and today I wanted to give you a detailed tour of the exterior of the AMG. So, first thing I wanted to do is give you guys a full pan around the car, starting from the gorgeous front here. Then around the side profile of the car. As you can see, I've got the black privacy glass and the AMG matte black wheels, which I think gives it a really mean sporty look. And of course the back of the car. When you see the back of this car, you know it means business. This ain't no regular Mercedes. We'll be taking a more detailed look of the back of the car later in this video. Right, so let's get down to business, running down the long front bonnet down to the aggressive AMG grille. As I move to the side here, you get a really nice view of the aggressive front lip. There's some great little details down here that really add to the overall aggression of the front bumper. And here we've got the Mercedes multi-beam LED lights. I love all the little details shown here. Then here we have the subtle AMG badge on the front grille. Then there's a really shiny gloss black large Mercedes badge in the middle. Here you can see more of the front side flicks. And as I come here, just look at those gorgeous AMG matte black wheels. One last pan across the front here. Right, so now let's talk about the side of the car. It's that classic Mercedes saloon shape, but the blacked out mirrors, windows and wheels really give it that aggressive sporty feel. Just look at the lines here from these awesome side views. The side skirts are subtle but add nice sporty detail to the side of the car. So, how about the back of the car? Well, this is what really lets people behind you on the road know that you mean business. Here you can see we have the massive AMG rear diffuser and giant quad circular exhaust tips. Panning down here you can see the black AMG spoiler, but let's take a closer look at the large rear diffuser and exhaust tips. This side flick is a nice little detail on the back. Then we have the new rear lights here which look great at night. Here we have the AMG badge of course. And a closer look here at the side profile of the rear. Here you can see the aggressive rear spoiler which I've wrapped in black to make it stand out more. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this full overview of the exterior of the AMG. If you liked this video then please help out by hitting that like button, and you can also subscribe so you don't miss part 2 when we're going to be doing a detailed walkthrough of the interior of the car.